Hello and welcome. In this video we will cover how to ask simple questions in Metabase, how to visualize results with different charts and how to create dashboards. So let's start with the demo. Start Metabase up for the first time and you'll see this screen. It's called the home page. Home page will change as you start using Metabase with the pinned dashboards and different items. Metabase's two core concepts are questions and their corresponding answers. Everything else is based around questions and answers. Click on Ask a Question button on the top right. You can see that there are three ways to ask a specific question in Metabase. The simple question mode, which lets you filter, summarize, and visualize data. The custom question mode, which gives you a powerful notebook-style editor to create more complex questions that require joins, multiple stages of filtering and aggregating, or custom columns. The SQL, native query editor. Let's start with the simple question mode. Just click on one of the databases you want to query. It will show you a list of all the tables under that database. For this demo, we will be using the sample dataset that comes with Metabase. Pick the table from the database that you want to query out. It will show you contents of that table. In simple questions type, filtering and summarizing options are available. Filtering will narrow down the data as per the criteria and summarizing will show the metric grouped or broken as we want to see. Let's select People table from the sample database. These are all the fields under People table. Now suppose I want to filter People table to see list of people whose source is not affiliate. Basically different channel are given as a source through which the user is acquired. Valid values include affiliate, Facebook, Google, organic and Twitter. Above filter will give the list of people whose source is other than affiliate. For this, click on Filter, select the field as Source. In the criteria drop-down different options are available, like, is not, is empty, contains, does not contain etc. Select does not contain from the drop-down. Select affiliate in the source. Click on Add Filter. Here is the result. So I got the result of my query, list of people which are acquired from source Google, Facebook, Twitter and organic. When we ask things like, how many, what's the total, what's the average, etc., we need to summarize our data. So we'll click the Summarize button to open the sidebar where we can pick how we want to summarize this data. The count of rows metric is selected by default, which will result in total number of rows that match our filter. Other metrics are sum of, average of, cumulative sum of, cumulative count of rows etc. If I click Done with the default metric, it will result in total number of people acquired from source other than affiliate. Now suppose we want this list to group by created at by month, so that we can see account created every month through channel Google, Facebook, Twitter and organic. For this click on Summarize and select Created at by month option from the fields given. Click on Done. Metabase will give you the result in line chart. If we want to quickly check the results in tabular fashion, we can click the little toggle at the bottom center of the page to toggle from our chart to the data and back again. Metabase can present the answers to your questions in a variety of ways. To change the visualization, just select one of the options from the visualization sidebar. Click the visualization button in the bottom left to open it. Let's choose the area chart option. Faded visualization option means, it's not the good fit for the result to your question. If you find yourself running same query again and again, whether it's running regular reports, looking up something about an important segment of users, or just answering the same question for other people in your company. To keep from repeating the same set of steps each time you want to ask the same question, you can save your questions to use later. To do this, click on the Save button in the top right of the Question Builder screen. Metabase will give a meaningful name to your question, but you can use your own naming convention. It will ask you to choose the collection to save your question in. Collections are nothing but folder-type structure where your saved questions and dashboards live. Once you've saved your question, Metabase will ask if you want to add it to a new or existing dashboard. Let's click Create New Dashboard. You'll see a dialog that prompts you to create a new one and give it a name and description. Name it anything you'd like. We'll call ours Demo Dashboard. Dashboards are great when you have a set of answers that you want to view together. Your saved questions will be displayed as cards on the dashboard, which you can resize and move around. So, after you click the button to create your dashboard, you should see your chart as a little card. You can move and resize your chart so you can get it looking just how you want it. Just click Save in the top right when you're done. In this video we covered how to ask simple question by filtering and summarizing, how to save your questions to avoid repeating same steps, how to create dashboards and save it. In the next video we will discuss about custom question type and how to create custom questions with Notebook Editor. Thank you.